keep me from flying aimlessly, shamelessly laughing at destiny. No one knows how high I go, or what makes the atmosphere glow. I could follow the narrow road, but maybe I'll let it all go and just go.
Is het schat, baby? Zo, Echo?
Oh, Tink, it's perfect. Just like you ordered, Fawn. One extra large wagon. But what's it for? I mean, why all the mystery? I just love how your mind's always working. We can take it from here. Baby ducklings or baby bunnies. It's a movable nursery, right? Bullseye. Can't get a thing past you, Tink. Well, anyway, catch you later. You're up to something. Who, me? Never. Yep, you definitely are. I know that look. I invented that look. What's the wagon for? Okay. Just try not to scream. Deal? It's okay, Hannah. Tink's with me. You have a deep breath in. Hawk. Yep. Fawn, hawks eat fairies. Oh, adult hawks, yes. Hannah's still technically a baby. That old must-eat fairy urge hasn't quite kicked in yet. She doesn't look so babyish to me. Well, she was when I brought her here. She had a bad wing.
Hi, baby.
I fixed her up, and now... Wings all better. You can't have a hawk in Pixie Hollow. What if the scouts find out? That's where the blueberry wagon comes in. We just have to get Hannah out to where she belongs without causing, widespread panic. Good job! Here we go. You're doing great, Hannah. Hang tight until we're in the clear. Are you sure about this, Fawn? Remember, we're just taking berries to the forest. Nothing to it. But don't berries usually come from the forest? Everything will be fine. Just fly casual. Exactly how often do you do this kind of thing? Fawn, just keep smiling.